Hey everyone, if you want to quickly install Docsify and start building a documentation website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Docsify on your PC from scratch. First, install Node.js on your computer. Docsify needs Node.js because it runs using command line tools built on a Node environment. Next, open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac. This is where you will run all the installation commands. Now install Docsify CLI by typing npm install -g docsify-CLI. This installs Docsify globally so you can use it anywhere on your system. After that, verify the installation by typing Docsify-v. This checks whether Docsify installed correctly or not. Now create a folder for your project. This folder will store all your website files and documentation content. Open the folder in Terminal and run Docsify init. This sets up all the basic files needed for your website. Finally, run Docsify serve. To start the local server. This lets you preview your website in the browser instantly. So yeah, that's how you install Docsify step by step. Follow each step carefully and you'll have your documentation site running in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides.